I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For a monster from its slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. Now everything's cool, that's a part of the band. My monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris that you. He did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. Roar! Mash ooh! Easy go, you impetuous young boy. Mash cool. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For a monster from its slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash.
Go let in the wall.
He did the monster mash.
Oh God! Oh God! That's scary. It's kind of looks cool to say,
when you get to my door, tell them Boris that you. He did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. Roar! Mash ooh! Easy go, you impetuous young boy. Mash cool.
And before I go, I did have another pumpkin one that's saying Black Magic Woman like my devil one does. But apparently that one like broke like literally 2 years ago. And I don't know how it broke, but it literally just broke. That sucks. But I still have this one. And I don't really think the song fits for this. They should have at least like picked a different song for this. Like, I don't know. But Monster Mash doesn't really fit. If it would say Monster Mash, they would be dressed as a Frankenstein. I wish they make more of these. They should make like Halloween. They should make Black Cat of these, like Black Cats of these, but Black Cat ones. That'd be cool. They should do a devil one to say Black Magic Woman. Oh man, that'd be so cool. I'm gonna think of some cat one ideas. I'm picturing in my head right now. They look so awesome. Oh man, so yeah. So yeah, have fun going to the pumpkin patch. Itty bitty kitty blow.